Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered why blockchain is considered so secure or how it actually protects your data and money, you are in the right place. Today we are going to break it all down. No jargon, no fluff, just easy to understand blockchain security with real life examples and even more code snippets. Let's get into it. Let's start from the beginning. A blockchain is like a digital notebook that keeps a permanent list of transactions. But here's the twist. Instead of one person owning this notebook, it's a shared with thousands of people across the world. Every page in the notebook is a block, and when a new page are added, they get chained to a previous one. Hence the term blockchain. And once a block is added, it's really hard to change it. So, what makes blockchain secure? Let's break it into three simple ingredients. Number one, decentralization. Instead of one company or government owning the data, everyone in the network share a copy of the blockchain. If someone tries to change their copy, it doesn't match the rest, so it gets rejected. Number two, cryptography. Every block has a unique fingerprint called hash. If you change even a comma in the data, that fingerprint changes, making tampering easy to detect. Number three, consensus. Before adding a new block, everyone must agree it's legit. There are systems like proof of work and proof of state that help decide what gets added fairly and securely. Let me show you how simple hashing works in Python. Just one line can generate a secure fingerprint. That's SHA-256 hash, used by Bitcoin and many others. Super hard to fake. Now, even though blockchain is secure by design, it's not invincible. Let's talk about some real world threats you should know. Number one, 51% attack. If someone controls over 50% of the network, they could fake transactions. It's hard and expensive, but possible in smaller blockchains. Number two, smart contract bugs. Smart contracts are like apps on the blockchain. If the code has a bug, hacker can drain millions, like the infamous DAO hack. Number three, phishing attacks. If you give someone a private key through a fake website or email, it doesn't matter how secure the blockchain is, your funds are gone. Thankfully, good blockchain projects uses layer of security to stay protected. They hire security experts to audit code, they run bug bounty programs to catch vulnerabilities, and they even use multi-signature wallets, meaning two or more people need to approve transaction. Let me show you a very simplified version of how the logic works. See, the transaction only goes through if enough signatures are there. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so what can you do to stay safe on the blockchain? Number one, use trusted wallets. MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet. Number two, use two-factor authentication everywhere. Number three, never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. Number four, watch out for fake sites and DMs. Scammer love crypto newbies. And always keep your software up to date. That fixes a lot of known bugs and threats. So, is blockchain really secure? Yes, but it depends. The technology is solid, decentralization, cryptography, and consensus keep it powerful protection. But the apps, the smart contract, and yes, even the people are often the weakest link. That's why understanding this stuff matter. You don't need to be a hacker. Just being informed can protect you and your crypto assets. If this video helped simplify blockchain security for you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this.